Matapos ang dalawang magkasunod na laban sa Amerika kontra sa mga undefeated na boksingero, ay muli na namang mapapasabak sa bakbakan ang Pinoy alias mighty na si ASTON PALICTE. Isa na namang undefeated American ang kanyang makakaharap. Ito ay si Anthony GARNICA. May record itong 12 panalo, 0 loss at 7. Dito tinapos niya via knockout, habang 28 wins, 7 losses at 23 via knockout naman ang Pinoy. Mas bata at nasa prime pa talaga itong si GARNICA. 24 years old pa lang ito habang 34 years old na si PALICTE. Kakayanin pa kaya ni KABAYAN na ma-upset itong undefeated na kalaban? Bago ang laban nila na gagawin ngayong linggo sa Long Beach, California sa Amerika, ay balikan muna natin ang laban ni PALICTE na kung saan tila ginawang punching bag lang ni KABAYAN ang undefeated prospect na kalaban na si Jose Martinez, merkado na pambato ng bansang Puerto Rico.
Not PALICTE. 12-round split decision to claim the WBO Junior
Executive Officer Andy Foster, and sponsored by Art of Music. He's wearing the black trunks with gold trim. Official weight 114 and 1/2 pounds. He has a professional record of 20 wins, no losses, and 2 draws, with 13 of his wins coming by way of a knockout.
Champion Jose Chiquito Martinez.
He has a professional record of 24 big wins, just 2 losses and 1 draw, with 20 of his wins coming by way of a knockout. From Bago City in the Philippines, he is currently ranked number 1.
Mighty ASTON PALICTE. All right, gentlemen, you received the instructor of electrical. Para sa telesos.
Thank you.